So Clarius has an extensive range of exhaust system problem solvers, and today we're going to talk about mountings. They're often overlooked. In fact, they're a very common failure, and mounts are specific to every different vehicle and application, so there's thousands of them. So it's important to order them every time you need an exhaust system component. So let's talk about the variety. From very simple rubber mountings, right through on more modern vehicles, to more complex cast rubber to metal items and bracketry, through to bespoke brackets that only fit one application. It's important that we order these when we order the exhaust system components. So when you pick up the phone and you're ordering this is what the person will see. This is a system strip, and it contains all the right information and all the individual part numbers for every single mounting that relate to the CAT, the DPF and the exhaust system components. The key message here is to request and specify all of the required mountings when you order the exhaust system pieces.